Now, come first quarter of 2026, we are going to another sets of roads. Building, supposed to be phase 1 lang, pero ginawang maraming phase. Building, again, the Magsaysay High School. We will resume. We are just awaiting for proper documentation. I will build that. Harangan man tayo ng kanyon, we will build and finish Magsaysay High School. We will build Binondominium 2. We will distribute through lottery of the remaining San Sebastian residents, San Lazaro residents, and Pedro Hill residents. We will build Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila College of Medicine. I will do my best. I will use all the energy, strength, and whatever resources na mapipiga ko sa bimpo. Dahil yon ang paniwala ko, tapos mga nangyayaring ito, ay mga bagay na makapagpababago ng buhay ng tao pangmatagal. We will go to that direction.